Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Just so you guys know, I got the rotors to Silverback. They are here, but I'm not showing you them today. So you're gonna have to hit that subscribe button, stay tuned. We're gonna be changing out the rotors on Silverback. I'm waiting on the fasteners, actually, new bolts for these rotors, and they should be coming in tomorrow. And then we're gonna be replacing them on Silverback. But today's video, we got some more modifications done to this beautiful fastback blue Streetbob 2022 with the 114. Let me tell you guys what is going on. Hang tight. All right, guys, so did a couple modifications here. Memphis Shades hooked us up with the front fairing. I'm gonna show you that in a second here. And Saddlemen already hooked us up with this absolutely beautiful and amazing seat. And let me tell you, we have a whole bunch of stuff that's happening to this Streetbob in the next couple days to couple weeks. So let me show you guys the fairing. Let me show you guys what I've installed so far, and then we'll take it from there. So this is the Memphis Shades fairing that just came in a couple days ago, and I just installed it. Absolutely amazing. And they were so nice and kind enough to send me two. I wasn't actually sure which one I should have got, whether it's the 11-inch or the 13-inch. But the 13-inch, being that it's taller, just got in a light smoke. So let me show you guys how this windshield looks on there. Let me just put one bolt in it. All right, so there's our Memphis Shades fairing and windshield in the dark tint. That is 11 inches tall. The bike looks really, really good with it. Also, they hooked us up with some Memphis Shades handguards, so I got them on. If you guys are interested about the install process, I'm not going to be doing any installation as far as small items, because there is just so many videos on YouTube as far as how to install products. You can go actually crazy looking at thousands of them. These are the Memphis Shades handguards. These are absolutely great. We got them on Silverback. They helped us out tremendously doing the iron butt Saddle Sore 1000 coming back from Florida, so I highly recommend them. So they were kind enough over at Memphis Shades to send us a set of handguards as well to match, obviously, our fairing and windshield. So let me take this windshield off. This is the 11-inch. As you can see, like, the bike is like just transforming right before our eyes here. So let me show you guys the 13-inch clear. I'll show you guys how it looks. All right, so here is the 13-inch in the light tint, and it looks really, really good as well. And the reason it's light is because this 11-inch windshield right there is actually at a perfect kind of head height for me, to where I'm really not looking through it, so it could be dark. But being that this is 13-inch, it's kind of in my line of sight right here, but it's the light tint, so it works perfectly. So I'm gonna be testing them both out. Probably for shorter rides, I'll keep the 11-inch on, and then if I wanna do some longer trips on it, I'll definitely put this 13-inch windshield on it. And it's actually super easy. There's only 6 bolts, plastic bolts right here that go on and off really fast. So that is super cool. I love that. So we have 2 windshields. So we got, like I said, the Memphis Shades fairing, handguards. Also, what we did was we installed some new Harley Davidson hand grips right there. Really love these. They're really super comfortable. Got a nice grip on them. And obviously we installed our Flow Motorsport levers, fully adjustable breakaway levers. Love these levers, as you guys know, because I have them on Silverback as well. You can easily grab these levers with a glove, and that's what's super important, because they're nice and thin, and that's why I like them a lot. They're nice anodized black with the logo on them. So that's all set up. We got the front ready to go. And then we got this bad boy right here from our friends over at Saddlemen Seats. Look at this. It's just absolutely amazing. Blue stitching, almost pretty much matches perfectly to the tank color. Fastback blue paint on the bike, white logo stitching, and SDC Pro Gripper seat with the backrest. Look at this thing. Beautiful, beautiful. We also have the Saddlemen seat on the Road Glide right here, which if you don't know, I just did the Iron Butt Saddle Sore 1000 coming back from Florida to New Jersey, 1,200 miles almost. And the seat just got more comfortable as the time went on. So huge thanks to everyone over at Saddlemen and Memphis Shades for hooking us up on this build. It's just an amazing seat. Really nice. And this one has the backrest, and it does help for, especially if you're a taller person, it does help. Really love the look on the seat. Let me know in the comments, guys, what you guys think. So, also, guys, huge thing. Harley Davidson is on board with this build. So, we're going to have a lot of items done to the bike just to kind of give you guys an idea as far as what we're going to do to the bike. We're going to be getting some foot pegs. We're going to be getting a sissy bar with cargo rack. We're going to be getting some bags. We're going to be putting some bags on this thing. And the premise is I want to be able to take this on longer trips if I choose to do so. So if I want to take the Softail out and do a couple 100 miles, I can. I'll have the bags on it. I'm going to have the sissy bar with the cargo rack on the back. So I think it's going to be absolutely fantastic. The bags are going to be detachable. This is all going to be Harley Davidson equipment. So it's going to be obviously top-notch products. We're also going to be getting some Zero 3D lighting over here, white with black bezel to light up the front. We're also going to be getting some LED in the back, red with black bezel. We're going to be getting some new front and rear rotors. Really nice. With our bags here in the back, we're going to put a docking system right here with the docking hardware for the bags. They're going to be detachable. We are going to have to install the tail light relocation kit where they actually just go back, I believe, about 2-3 inches with the license plate. Kind of at the same level. They're just shifted back a little further so the bag fits. We're going to be getting a different gas tank cap. We're also going to be changing out the mirrors. Stay tuned. If you guys are new to this channel and you guys love Road Glide stuff and you like Softail stuff, definitely hit that subscribe button so this way you guys can follow along on this build. We're not going to be playing games with this build. This build is going to come out mint. Like I said, we got some new mirrors coming in. And for those longer trips, these bikes do not come with cruise control, but we are installing factory cruise control on this bike so I can take it for those long rides. That's going to be super important. We're going to be also getting probably, we got to look for a setup. Maybe you guys could hit me up in the comments and let me know. We're going to need a setup for some highway pegs, maybe engine guard / highway peg system. I looked at a few. Maybe you guys could let me know what you guys think about that. What are some options? So the idea is to obviously take and use this Softail for some longer rides, and that's why we're going to set it up so it's comfortable, yet it has amazing performance, because I don't want to and I will not slap 10 to 15,000 miles on this bike, because she's a beauty. We're going to be still taking her to every single event. So we're going to be putting a lot of miles on it. But if I could relieve some of that pressure, some of those miles from Silverback and put it onto the Softail, I'm definitely going to do that. So we're going to be adding a lot of those creature comfort components lighting. Obviously, we got the fairing on for the wind and comfort, some lighting, some new mirrors, pegs. We have an awesome seat already. But as far as the engine performance, we're gonna go two ways. We're going to go one way, which is going to be a stage 2 on this 114 Woods 777 F-Cam, which is a pretty, I think it's a higher lift than the 475. It's usually for mid-range to upper RPM power and puts out a lot of power, nice choppy idle. And we're gonna be putting that cam in with a set of Bassani 2-in-1 black road rage exhaust on here. It's gonna sound absolutely amazing. I'm gonna keep this air cleaner on here because it's already has the open element on it. And not only that, I don't want the element that kind of sticks out like the new 117s have on the CVOs, because it kind of gets in the way of my leg on the right side. So I'm gonna stick with this because it's nice and streamlined, really nice tight profile, and I like the way it looks. But our second thing, which we might be doing, I don't want to tell you guys because I don't know for sure yet, but I'll keep that as a surprise possibly. But the stage 2 is definitely going to happen if the other don't. Definitely stay tuned. This is going to come out really awesome. I can't wait. This is a sweet bike. The color is absolutely amazing. Oh, and then the big thing I forgot. I ordered the paint, some fastback blue paint from the dealership. It should be in a couple days. We're actually going to be painting this fairing, obviously not the windshield, but we're going to be painting this fairing blue. We're going to keep the inside black. We're going to be color matching the entire fairing blue. And not only that, we're going to be painting the two side covers the same color. This cover, and we're going to be painting this cover right there to match the bike. I think that's going to look absolutely sick. I think it's going to look a lot better in blue because I think the black just kind of stands out too much. But once it's blue to match the fender and the gas tank, that is going to look really, really cool. So hit that subscribe button, guys. I have the rotors, like I said, for Silverback right there. I'm going to get you guys that content here in the next couple days. We'll take the bike for a ride. It's literally been in the 20s here in northern New Jersey. Weather is pretty crappy. And let me also show you guys the amazing bag, the amazing luggage that Saddleman actually sent me. Let me show you as a gift. They actually sent me this amazing piece of luggage. If you're interested, go to their website. I'll leave it down below in the description, but let me show you. It's really nice. It's going to look amazing. I'm going to be using it on the Softail. So this product is from Saddleman. It's almost like right here, my Sedici. This is what I use right here. This setup, these two bags I use on the Road Glide. You guys probably seen. But those are a little too big for the Softail, and they sent me out this bag, and oh my God, it is absolutely amazing. They have it on their website, so check it out. There is so many pockets that are expandable, and you can make bigger. Let me show you. You could open this up. So there's one storage compartment there, and then if you zip this open, you have, this is another carrying case. You can put your toiletries or whatever. It comes with a rain shield. It comes with like backpack type stuff that you could install on the bag and use the entire backpack straps that you could use as a backpack. And you have it in there. It has a couple compartments inside. So I'm going to be basically, if I look right there, you got the handle. So what I'm going to be doing is once I have the bags on here and the sissy bar with the cargo rack, I'm going to be putting this bag like that for trips. And then on the back of the cargo rack, I'll be able to put another bag and strap that all down onto the sissy bar. It's going to be amazing. And this size, as you guys can see, fits the bike really, really nice and really well. And this is like, this bag is just really high quality, super, super nice bag. Huge thanks to them. But check them out, saddleman.com. I got a whole bunch of other cool videos coming out in store for you guys too. Gerbing Heated Gear, Gerbing Company hooked us up with a whole bunch of new stuff. Like the box is loaded. Also, I have 7-volt battery powered stuff, heated gear in there. So I'll let you guys check all that out on another video. Stay tuned for that. We have a lot of amazing videos coming up for you guys. And on another note is that once we hook this bike up, I'm literally thinking of doing the Bun Burner 1500 on it, because I think it's going to be better content, because obviously the big bagger, everyone says, yeah, you know, it's a big bagger, it's really comfortable. Yeah, of course it's really comfortable. But no matter what, 1,000 miles is a lot in 24 hours, let alone 1,500 miles in 36 hours. So the Bun Burner Silver is actually 1,500 miles in 30 hours. That's pretty hard too. But having said that, we'll see how this bike works out after it's all set up. And I'm thinking about doing it. I think it's gonna be some good content, so we might do it on here. Stay tuned for that. We're gonna have some great creature comforts, and we're gonna have some good power on it. It's going to be a comfortable bike, obviously, with this seat and the backrest. And I'm getting a lot of great feedback. A lot of people actually have big baggers and have a second bike. That's a Softail. And I see that the comments and the replies are pretty positive on this, so I appreciate that. So a lot of guys actually have the Streetbob as a second bike, so I'm really looking forward to this build. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate all of you. Let me know what you guys think in the comments about the fairing, about the seat, everything that I've just said. Hit that subscribe button so this way you guys can follow along. Make sure you hit that bell so this way you guys get notified of every single video. And thank you again, and peace out. We'll see you guys on the next one.